are you riding without gloves?
Well, you know, I have enough road tag and I gotta arrest you today and I'm gonna impound your bike.
Well, everybody, there's a cop right in front of me. You don't see that too often anymore. Just please don't go the same way that I am, because I want to be able to rip it. You going straight? Are you turning? Going straight. Hell yeah. Go the different way, everybody. Go the different way, you. You stinky boy. Stinky old cop. This bike still rips. It's still a fast boy bike. Honestly, the 650 is pretty good. There's times where I feel more comfortable. I mean, granted, I have more experience on this bike, but there's times where I still feel more comfortable on this versus my FZ. I just want to be able to get this thing to pop up into that balance point. Damn, I can get there. I can very easily get there on this bike. Oh, damn, this thing pops and bangs like a motherfucker. Oh, wow. Ow, ow. Alright, now let's go. I feel like someday, honestly, I would really like to trade this for an FZ07 or something like that. Just something that would be really good to stunt. Because if an FZ07 feels like this, but just has more parts available for it, fuck yeah, I'd do that. I'd fucking stunt the shit out of one of those. What are you? RJ Saloon? Is that what you call it? A saloon? A saloon. How the fuck are you riding without gloves? How the fuck are you not riding without gloves? I got the fucking gauntlet gloves on, so I'm not cold as fucking tits. And this guy's just walking out here bare fingering it. What the fuck? How the fuck? Huh? The other best part about bikes that are light and shit like this, very flickable. I can maneuver this thing better than I could ever maneuver my FZ. Gotta do the good old washing the visor, everybody. Oh yeah, let's go. Oh daddy, oh yeah, let's go. The hell is that? Oh, it's Devin Nimella. Damn, Devin, what you doing out here? Actually, you kind of live in the area, don't you? Also, what are you? Oh, you're an Audi. An Audi. Well, yeah, so anyways, I have a little bit of a story to tell you guys today. And I don't know if this is true or not. I haven't confirmed anything, so I'm not saying that I didn't. Well, I am going to say that I didn't run, but I didn't realize that he was chasing me. So I never ran on purpose. I zoomed away. I didn't realize that he was behind me. Allegedly, so basically, let me start with this. So anyways, so I was just chilling at work. I literally just got to work. I was getting myself all set up, and then a police officer comes in, and he's like, "Hey, can I speak to him? Can I speak to Mr. Lucky Moto?" He didn't actually say that. He said my actual name, but he went ahead and he's like, "Yeah, hey, can I speak to Mr. Lucky Moto?" And so then I came out, and he's like, he asked me to come talk to him in private. And so then he went ahead and he said that earlier, literally on that same drive, and I recorded the entire thing, so I'll see whether I actually like accidentally ran from the police or not. He went ahead and he said that there was a motorcycle cop in the middle of fucking October. There was a motorcycle cop chilling in one of the parking lots nearby. And he said that this motorcycle cop came out, clocked me apparently at 48, in a 35, weaving traffic, splitting traffic. I don't remember exactly what he said. Any gap that I shot was a very well-sized motorcycle gap, so it's not like I was shooting anything absolutely crazy. Wow, we're gonna go. Ah! He says that this motorcycle cop, he clocked me at that speed, and he came out and he came after me. He said that he lit me up and that I failed to stop. And he said that I ran. Apparently, the person who was on the motorcycle said that I ran. And if you guys know me at all on my channel, I advocate for not running. I never have run from the police once. I always have my plate on. I always am riding fairly respectfully. I don't understand where this cop got the fact that I was running from him, but apparently it was enough to where the motorcycle cop called off the chase at 48 miles an hour. And so I find it kind of funny because it's a motorcycle cop. Washington has a no chase law. From what I understand, with the no chase law, anything above 100 miles an hour they have to call off, but if it's reckless endangerment. Watch out, buddy. Oh gosh, we're gonna go. But yeah, so and that also reminds me, been going through that, he said that I ran a red light. When in the fuck did I run a red light? He said that I ran a red light and that's where the motorcycle cop stopped. So I don't know, first off, why, if you're chasing me, you would stop at a red light. Second off, why you wouldn't just catch up to me and just stop me if you're on a fucking motorcycle. So I just don't understand. That doesn't go hand in hand. And then he goes all like,
well, you know, I have enough road tag and I gotta arrest you today and I can impound your bike.
And I'm just sitting there like, and it's like, there's no way. Because like I said, I never ran a red light. That's the number one thing. I don't think I ever came even close to running a red light. But it's like, I just don't understand where in the fuck the cop lit me up. Quote unquote lit me up. Now honestly that kind of freaks me out a little bit, because if the cop lights me up and then I just speed off a little bit, and then that counts as evading the police, and like if I didn't, because I don't have earplugs in right now. I haven't ridden with earplugs in for the last couple months. I haven't ridden with earplugs in. I don't play music while I ride. I never heard a siren. I never saw lights. I'm always looking at my mirrors and checking behind me. Nothing. Like, if there's video proof of him trying to pull me over, cool, I'll believe that. As of right now, I don't believe shit. My gut is thinking that there's somebody else who was on like a green bike like this one that they ran, but supposedly he pulled up my plate, but I'm guessing that he did that when he got to like my job. He saw a bike that matched the description, pulled up the plate, got my name, and then went in and said hi to me. That just doesn't make any sense to me. Now, I don't even know where he would have tried to pull me over from. Because yeah, and I would also just be stopped at a light like this, never splitting up the traffic or filtering up the traffic, never doing anything. I have stopped right here. He could have very easily just pulled right up next to me and been like, bitch, pull over. And I would have just been like, all right, I'll do that. I never intended to run or anything. I just don't understand where in the fuck he could have got me from. I think he's just blowing smoke up my ass, trying to get me to admit to something I didn't do. Because there is no way in hell that he tried pulling me over. I'm sorry, there's just no way in hell. Now I gotta be extra careful, at least on this bike, because now they're probably just gonna be looking out for me. So I'm basically losing my zooming card for a little bit. Do I think that's gonna stop me? Nope. At least right here. He says that I ran from the cops, so you know what? I would like to see the video proof of that. I never argue. It's like he was letting me off with a warning, so I was like, I wasn't gonna try and push it or anything, be like, oh yeah, show me the proof. But if he was trying to arrest me, I would have. If he was actually gonna try and arrest me and impound my bike, I'd be like, show proof or cap. It's just like, really? You're gonna put this much in a hassle of coming and getting me when it could have been as simple as the person who originally tried to pull me over actually doing his job and pulling me over, supposedly. I just don't understand why they would have called off a chase if it was only, it wasn't even so supposedly it wasn't even like 12 miles an hour over. That you could easily chase. And he says I was like, supposedly it was like, I don't know, he said I was endangering people, or endanger people to chase me. I think that cop was just lazy. Oh shit, I am low on fuel. I should probably fuel up. Oh shit, I got my paycheck today. Anyways, but it just makes no sense. There's absolutely no reason that he should have to pull me over. Yeah, so that's just kind of a funny story that happened. Just randomly, a police officer just comes in here, he's like, hey, can I talk to you? And I'm like, what the fuck? I wish I got it on video, honestly, so that way I could show it. So that way I could have shown it to you. So what exactly he was saying. I don't know the exact power that he had. I'm 99.9% sure he couldn't have arrested me, even if he wanted to. That's what everybody else is telling me too. But it's like, if he had the power to arrest me and he didn't, you know what? That's a W in my book. What's going on, guys? I'm Mr. Lucky Moto. Actually, it's future Lucky Moto. This is being recorded after everything went down with the whole like police thing. And yeah, I wish I had gotten the interaction with the police officer on video, because he literally just came up to me and said I did all this shit, and I'm like, no, I didn't. Anyways, I went ahead, and of course, you guys know I record everywhere I go. I recorded the ride that I quote-unquote ran from the police. And I was quote-unquote weaving traffic and quote-unquote ran a red light. And yeah, so I did none of that. I went through and I proof watched everything, not once. I didn't do a single thing that that cop told me. So either he was trying to get, I mean, I know he was trying to get me to admit to something I didn't do, but it's like, so I'm thinking what happened is that they got me mixed up with somebody else that also had a green bike. Just looking at it now, I'm like, bro, you really just wasted both of our times. But yeah, so it's just kind of a funny little story now. How a police officer came up to me, told me that he could arrest me and impound my bike for something I didn't do.
I just want to go ahead and add that I was also at work yesterday, and I think I saw the bike that they mistook me for. It looked like it was like an 03 to 06, like either 636 or a ZX10R or something, but it was definitely like a fully proper sport bike, and it was definitely the same era as my 650, same colors and all that stuff, and the guy didn't have a plate on, so that probably is the person that they were looking for. But anyways, just a funny little thing. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so you can see the next time I upload, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Play it.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now.